Here's my breakfast. I got a bagel with cream cheese and my iced coffee, water, and we're off. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are going to do a shop with me. I'm going to all the like Joann, Burlington, Ross. I'm gonna do Target. I might add it to this video or it might be its own, depending on what I find. But I want to see all the new summer stuff. They have like cute decor. I don't know. We'll see what we find. I'm excited. It's been a little bit since I've been in the stores because summer, you know, like I don't want to leave the boys and, you know, I don't want them to be bored. So I'm constantly trying to keep them busy. But anyways, we are out. It's mama's time. So let's go see what we find. Okay, right in the front they have the spring stuff on 70% off. This cute plant is 50 minus the 70, you can't see. And then they have this big one, it's 130 minus the 70. I love all these vases. $30 minus the 60. 40. They have this one. It's 45 minus the 70. 25. Their florals are so pretty. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that gray. This is so cute. I think these are, yeah, these are like those little flags that you fly. This is cute. It's $20 and it's 60% off. And then they have those pillows. They're 50, which is kind of pricey. They have these, so cute, $12.99, and then with the 60. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. I love this vase. It's 35 minus the 60. They have like all these little blue stuff. So cute. Look at this. How cute. How much is it? It's $20 with the 60. They have that cute welcome sign. All these mugs. So pretty. $25 minus the 60. This little collection is so cute. So Joann's was mostly a flop. They had cute stuff, but nothing priced at, you know, something that I would be willing to pay. So it's like, why show you? Because I don't want y'all to be done with your money either. Anyways, on to Burlington. They have these cute pillows. How much are you? $20. But they're like the outdoor lemon pillows. And they have this lemon tray. Look, lemon glasses. Just kidding. And they have that one. This one is $7.99, and the one on the bottom is $6.99. And they have these. They're $4.99. That one's $7.99. These are so cute. Look at this tray. So pretty. All these colors. $3.99. This is $16.99, and it has like the little legs. These candle holders are so cute. They're $12.99. There's 2 of them. One's up there. So cute. Look at these rugs, so cute. This one says easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's $4.99. And then this is like those memory foam ones. It says squeeze the day. $9.99. So cute. Okay, so Burlington was a flop for you, but a win for me. I didn't really see anything great, except that I showed you guys, but I did find a rug that I needed, so I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that it works in the room that I need it for, so crossing my fingers it does. Anyways, on to Ross. They have this candle. It's called Mango Lemonade. $7.99. It's a Yankee candle. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells nice. Do I want it? I don't know. Look how cute these are. $16.99. And they have this. Did I show you guys this already? I feel like I did. Maybe it's because I've seen it before. I don't know if I showed you guys. They have this cute vase. $14.99. Okay, so we are at the makeup. Guys, I know this is random, but if you have like the back of your heel that's crusty, you get one of these and scrape it. We'll get in the shower. We'll let your foot soak in the water, let it get nice and wet. Scrape it with this, and then get one of these pumice things and let it and scrape it. Like you can even, these black ones are really good. And you like just every day when you take a shower, you scrape it, your feet will look like a baby. It's really good. I mean, this is super cheap. It's $2 here. These are even at the Dollar Tree. You can get them, but they're really good. Try it out and let me know how it goes. They have this sunscreen that is supposed to leave no white residue, so I'm gonna see if I get it for Chad. It's only $16, so. And then they have this one. It's a matte. It's SPF 45. So, but I don't see that it says no white residue, which I'm sure it is. But I don't know. I'm gonna try this one first, see how Chad likes it. Guys, this lotion is our favorite. My kids love it. The Ultra Healing one. Guys, this is really good. If you want to try a tanning lotion, this is good and it's easy. You're in the shower, before you dry yourself, you put it on just like a quarter size. You don't have to rinse it or anything. You let it dry, and then you know, go on with your day, and your legs are actually tan. And you put it on evenly, obviously, but if you don't, it's not a big deal. It doesn't show. So definitely recommend this. I'm sure you guys already seen this, but Target has these Lazy Susans for $5. And then they have this bigger one for $5 as well. And they have a bunch of these like organizers. I think this is a drawer. Yeah. Not sure how you open it. It's not dummy proof. Oh, the tape is holding it. I'm looking for wall art for my sitting room that I'm decorating. That's pretty. I like this one. They're already setting up school supplies. Like, they moved all the summer stuff and they're putting school stuff. Can't even enjoy our summer cheese. Look at these, they're cute. They're black and they're super stretchy. And then they have these. How freaking cute. I'm gonna get all of these. They have these shorts for Caleb and these, and they're on sale, so I'm gonna get them because did I tell you guys I was getting those? I'll show you later. But a lot of them are his size, and I'm gonna just get them for back to school. I mean, you can't start too early. Guys, look, they have this grill. It's only $12.99. We're gonna get it. Okay, so here is, I look crazy, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm wearing biker shorts that I got from Amazon. So comfortable. I can have them linked if you guys want. My sandals that I got from Walmart in my shopping, my Walmart shop with me. And then my Future shirt that I got from Shein. Still don't understand what it means, but whatever. We're going with it. It's like 1,000 degrees outside. And then I have my hat, some earrings. I put my hair in a braid. Listen, this is just the vibe for today. Very comfortable.